Okay, how are you? Today I will start chapter 1, lesson 1. Okay, exploring transformation. There are some ideas important for the lesson 1. The first idea is translation, second idea reflection, and the third idea stretch, last idea compression. Okay, today inshallah I will start take the first and the second idea. Translation. What is the meaning of the translation? Translation, move to left or right on x coordinate. So of the point, move right or left. This point, move in x coordinate. The point move up or down. So this point move in y coordinate. So we have the point, and here has the line x-axis. Draw the line x-axis. This x-axis or x-coordinate move right or left, right or left, and this y-coordinate move up or down. Okay, so translation, it's meaning left or right, up or down, left or right in x coordinate, up or down in y coordinate. If the point move to the right, I will use the sign positive in x coordinate, and if we move left, so I will use the negative sign in x coordinate. As the same, if this point move up, I will use x positive, so y positive, and down negative in y coordinate. So if we have the point in here, say horizontal, so it change in what? Horizontal translate, it change in what? In which coordinate? In x coordinate. Horizontal translation. So I have add or subtract in x coordinate. Okay, if we have point 1 and 2, so I will add or subtract. In here, say shift to the right 3 point. So added 3. Okay, again, translation, this meaning move right, left, up or down. Right or left if we horizontal, up or down if vertical. If I will move to the right, I will use positive in x coordinate. If I will move to the left, I will use the negative in x coordinate. Okay, so I will take exercise to be this idea it's clear. Okay, translation. What is the meaning of the translation? Translation meaning the point change in x coordinate or y coordinate by using positive or negative. Okay, I will complete 4 units to the right. This point move 4 units to the right. Right, in x or on y? Right, so in x. So I will change in this coordinate. Move to the right, I will use positive or negative? Positive. So this point I will add number. Which is the number? Number 4. I will repeat again. The first idea I will say in here, it is the translation. So So translation, I will use positive or negative sign. In which coordinate? Complete? Right. Right. So in x-axis. Oh, add or subtract? Add. Why to add? Because move to the right. Right use positive, but left use negative. So if we have this point 1 and negative 3, negative 1 and 3, I will add negative 1, positive 4 in x coordinate and 3. And then find the answer. Negative 1 plus 4, it will be 3 and 3. This is the first idea for my lesson. Okay, I will complete. So this point, negative 1 and 3, this point move 4 units to the right. So I will count 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the new point in here. Okay. The second idea. The second idea, translation. Yes, who can tell me what is the meaning translation? What's the change? Translation, it is meaning I will use the sign, positive or negative. I know I will use positive or negative. Okay, complete. Negative 1 and 3, coordinate translate point 1 unit to the left, left. In x-axis or in y-axis? In x-axis. Use positive or negative? Negative. Why? Because left. So I will negative 1 in here, comma. And I have a change, another change, 2 unit to the down. 2 unit to the down. Down. In which coordinate? In y. Okay? Positive or negative? Yes. Down, not up. So negative 2. I will repeat again this idea. The translation, it is meaning the point move. Move right to left or up or down. If move left, so change in x coordinate by using sign negative. If I will say down, so I will use the sign negative. But in y coordinate in here because down, and in here x because left. Okay, this point, look at in here. This point, negative 1 and 3, I will check by using coordinate plane. Negative 1 and 3, this point. This point move 1 unit to the left. Where is 1 point to the left? So in here, this is the new point. 1 to the left. Okay, and then this point move 2 units to the down. In here, this is the point, move 2 points down, 1, 2. So this is the new point. Yes. So the answer it will be negative 2 and 1. You can check in here. Yes, negative 1, negative 1. It will be negative 2, 3, negative 2. It will be 1. Okay, this is a check it out 1B, page 7. Check it out 1B, page 7. This exercise in textbook, page 7. Okay, check it out 2A. Look at in here. Check it out 2A, coordinate plane. Okay, sorry, point. This table. Okay, I have the coordinate x and y, and translation 3 unit to the right. Translation 3 unit to the right. Okay, what is the meaning translation 2 unit to the right? Translation, it is meaning yes, positive or negative. I will use positive or negative. Right, so I will use positive. And which coordinate, x or y? Right. So move horizontal, so in x-axis. So if this diagram with the coordinate -2 and 4, after translation, I will add 3 to the x, it will be positive 3, it will be 1. And another point, -1, it will be 2. 0, it will be 3. Add 3 in each x coordinate. I will add 3 in x coordinate. Okay, I will repeat a last time. Read the questions, be careful, please. Transformation, what is the type of the transformation? It's translation. Translation, it is meaning I will use positive or negative, add or subtract. 3 unit to the right, right, so horizontal, أكيد right or left horizontal, up or down vertical. So horizontal, so I will use x-axis. I will change in x-axis. Change by using what? Plus 3. So in here, -2 plus 3, it will be 1. -1 plus 3, it will be 2. Okay, I will check by using a new coordinate. This is the original function. Okay, in the diagram, you can find the table by read the point. Okay, in here -1 and 0 and -2 and 4, 0 and 3, the table. Okay, if I want draw the second diagram, after translation, I will add 3. I will check it's right, yes or no, wrong. This point in x coordinates, this point moves 3 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So here is this new point after translation, 3 units to the right. Okay, I will check the other point, and here is this point, 1, 2, 3. So this is a new point in here. Okay, I will take another point, this point, 1, 2, 3, this point. So I will prove now if we translation 3 units to the right, any point in the function move 3 units to the right. Okay? This is the first idea in my lesson. Finish the first idea. Okay? So I will make summarization for the first idea. I will say if we have the translation, the point move right or left, up or down. Right, I will use positive in x coordinate, add in x coordinate. If I will use left, use negative in x coordinate. So this is the first case I will study, okay? The second case, if we have vertical translation, so I move up or down, okay? Up, positive, down, negative. This is the first idea. I will take in this lesson the first and the second idea only, and the next lesson, inshallah, I will take the another 2 idea. Reflection. The second idea for my lesson, it will be reflection. Reflection, the point the same distance from the line, reflect, but the opposite side. Okay, I will take example. So I can reflect the point in the same distance across y-axis, or the point reflect by the same distance in x-axis. Okay, be careful please. Reflection, we studied before the translation, and Mrs. Shema say I will use add or subtract. Reflection, I will use opposite operation or multiply by -1. Okay, يبقى reflection meaning opposite operation or multiply -1. يعني in reflection across y-axis, what is the meaning of the reflection across y-axis? So y-axis still as it. If we reflection across y-axis, the coordinate y is still as it. In here 2, so in here 2 as it. 1, I will use the opposite. 1, it will be -1. So reflection meaning opposite operation. If reflection across y-axis, so y is still as it, and the reflection another axis. Okay. Reflection across x-axis, what is the meaning of reflection? Reflection, I will use the opposite operation, opposite number. Okay. X-axis, so x-axis is still as it, and the change in what? In y. I will check by using the rule in here. If we have x and y, it will be x1 and 2. If we reflection across x-axis, so x is still as it. I will write x as it and then change the sign. Again, reflection y-axis, I will write y as it and change the sign for x. Reflection across x-axis, I will write x as it and then change the sign for another one. You can remember by using this formula or rule. Okay. I have now another exercise. Check it out. Example 2b, page 8. Page 8. Okay, check it out, 2b. In here, if we have reflection across x-axis, yes, reflection, I will say before reflection, I will use opposite operation, opposite sign. X-axis, so x is still as it. X still as it. What is the change in here? I will change the sign for y. Only change the sign for y. So -2 still as it. The new order pair for it will be -4. Okay, and I can use the diagram. Okay, I will check this reflection across x-axis, yes or no. Where is the x-axis? This x-axis. Reflection, it's meaning the point reflects by the same distance. I will check if we have this point is the same distance from x-axis. A new point? Yes. I will check in here 1, 2. So I have the 2 distance in here from the point to x-axis. Why x-axis? Because I stay in here across x-axis. I have another point and I will check if it will be the same distance to yes or no. Yes, 1, 2. You can check by another point. Yes, this point, the same distance across x-axis, 1, 2, and here 1, 2. So this shape, this function, reflection across x-axis. Okay. Now I will make summarization for the lesson 1, part 1. We studied the first idea, horizontal translation and vertical translation. Horizontal translation, it is meaning move right to left. Okay, vertical translation, it is move meaning up or down. Right, I will use add in x-axis in here. If left, I will use subtract. Vertical, up or down, so I will use add. If up, I will add in y-axis, or down in y-axis. This is the summarization for the first part. The second part, reflection. Reflection مش شيماء say change the sign, okay? Reflection across y-axis. Y-axis still is it and change another coordinate. Reflection across x-axis, its meaning x still is it and y change the sign. Okay, I will complete another exercise in next lesson inshallah. Thank you. Goodbye.